ASTATechCenter presents Primavera P6 lesson. Please like the video, subscribe it and don't forget to press the bell icon.
Primavera P6 Professional. Lesson 13, Customizing Layout. In this lesson, we will cover topics such as understanding bars and bar dialog, customizing bars, collapsed bars, bar levels and attributes, custom bars, bar chart options, attachment. What is bar and bar dialog in P6? Graphical layout or Gantt chart, where bar or presence can be customized by right-clicking in the Gantt chart area, and thereafter, selecting bars from Activity Details window. These bars represents the activities and their status in a graphical way. The color and bar type of Gantt chart can be altered in the top layout of the window. The bottom layout provides tabs for changing bar style, bar setting, and bar level. Bar labels are assigned in Bar Labels tab at bottom layout. These labels can be placed at left, right or at middle, and a label is assigned from the drop-down list. Customizing graphical layout. Top layout of bar window provides bar types. Under display column, bar, those are checked, are only visible in the Gantt chart. Next is the bar name column, where you have timescale column. Here selection can be made from drop-down list like actual, remaining, critical, float bar, current bar and so on. Next two columns are user start date and user finish date. Next column is the filter, where filter window is activated by right-clicking in any cell of this column. Next is the preview column, where the color and bar type are viewed by the configuration made at bottom layout of bar window. Customizing collapsed bar. P6 provides collapsed bar option, where a bar can be collapsed for the duration when activities are not using any resources. Get collapsed bar tab from bar chart window. Select grouping bands option and show relationship for collapsed bar. In the bar window, add a new bar as collapsed bar, make it current, and in the bar setting tab, activate settings for necking the bar. Custom bar. A custom bar can be introduced to the tabular area as a means of constraint. In case of school project, DSPB, apply a constraint, deadline of completion. 4. Site development work, to finish by 10th of October, 2023, but it is finishing on 27th of September, 2023. Therefore, during the project execution, the deadline is set so that the date should not slip. In order to do this, create two user-defined fields as deadline start, deadline finish, and data type as start date and finish date respectively. Also introduce an activity as deadline finish and make if as finish milestone type. Custom bar. Add columns, deadline start and deadline finish from user-defined list of column window. Under these columns, for activity deadline, introduce the date as 10th of October, 2023. Open the bar window, add a new bar as deadline. Under time scale, select user dates. Deadline start will appear under user start date and deadline finish will appear under user finish date. At bottom layout, click bar style tab and select the style as a triangle, since it is a milestone type, and give color as deep pink to be clearly distinguished it in Gantt chart. Click the bar labels tab and add to the right of the deadline finish. Bar chart options. Under data date tab, data date line of Gantt chart can be formatted as style, size, and color. Under sight line tab, the vertical and horizontal lines in the graphical area Gantt chart can be shown. In order to avoid clutter in the graphical area, apply only to see minimum lines. Under horizontal lines section, check and make it to show minor lines, say, in every 5 rows. Under vertical lines section, check and make it to show major lines, say in every 1 month. Bar chart options. Bar chart option window can be activated by right-clicking in any area of Gantt chart. Under General tab, check Show Relationship, Show Legend, optional, if it is required to show legend separately, instead of at footer, and change level character to 40 so that more text are included in the bar's level. Next comes Collapse Bar, which has already been explained. Customizing graphical layout, timescale. Timescale in the graphical area can be configured by selecting Timescale from the drop-down list of selection or clicking the Timescale tool from horizontal toolbar. Timescale window has two sections, Timescale Format and Date Format. Under Timescale Format section, select two lines, Project Early Start Date, against Timescale Start. Color and font as per the individual choice. Under Date Format section, select Calendar, against Type, and for date intervals consider either month and year or week and month upon suitability. Attachments. Further, attachment can be accessed from the drop-down list, under Activity Details, by right-clicking in Gantt chart area. Curtain or hatch strip can be introduced, in the graphical area, to identify a set of activities of importance, within a particular time frame. Under Attachment a submenu is available, as text. This helps in writing text, in the graphical area, to signify something, of importance. Primavera P6 Software Demonstration. Lesson 13 Topics.
In order to customize the Gantt chart, right-click anywhere in the Gantt chart area and select Bar. The bar window shall pop up. Major changes are done here. Next right-click and select Bar Chart Options. The pop-up window has tabs where other settings are done, then right-click and get Attachment. Curtain and text can be added in the Gantt chart area. Creating collapse bar, right-click in the Gantt chart area. Add a new bar as collapse bar, make it current or remaining, choose a color, say pink. You may use filter as in progress. In the bar window at bottom layout, under group band setting check, show bar when collapsed and also check calendar network time under bar necking setting. Now you can view the collapse bar in upper layout of bar window. Closely observe the steps so that you get familiar with the sequence of operations. Thank you for watching the video. Please like the video, subscribe it and don't forget to press the bell icon.